Hi, my dear viewers. Frankly, I don't know exactly whom I am addressing out there, but it feels distinctly different speaking to an inanimate lens. Yes, it does make me somewhat self-conscious, but I know that with your catalytic support, I will ride through the waves. As an introduction, I am Dr. Ismail, also known as Dr. E. I feel 73 years young. I graduated in 1977 and culminated my MD in internal medicine in 1980. Over the last 48 years, I have pursued clinical practice with a fierce passion. That I dare say that Dr. E and that passion actually became one and the same person. Along this journey, I have spent around 3 decades dedicated to teaching, eventually retiring here in Toronto as a happy Canadian citizen. Yet, with this volcanic zest still locked within my insides, I could not reconcile with being in the paddle pool. Sitting one day in meditation, a question came to my mind. I have served the usefulness of my life with nearly 5 decades of clinical practice. Now, do I have to serve the uselessness of my remaining years? The answer, my friends, came like a bolt out of the blue. Your mission remains incomplete. Reach out. This is your call. Science and art, ladies and gentlemen, are two wings of the same bird. I feel the excitement of being that bird, navigating my medical and my lyrical wings spread out to reach you. The medical narratives portray the passion of my conviction. The poetic expressions provide the relief and the release. Together, they provide the feeling to the healing. I am here, my friends, all ears and all yours. I will soon be uploading my medical and lyrical channels to reach you. Together, let us venture into adventure. Thank you, my friends, for lending me your listening ears. Dr. E signing off. I hope you will smile with Dr. Ismail. Thank you.